package.json and see for this dependencies. And whatever the dependencies is there, it will download those and install in the server. And in the server, they will create this node model folder. This is the main purpose of this package.json, and also the other stuffs like what do you say, other dependencies also there, the development where we have developed those things. Okay, this package.log.json is nothing but when we create the package.json, this file automatically clear. Git ignore is nothing but the, see here it says /node model. So when we deploy it to Git, this folder is ignored. This folder is ignored. This folder is ignored. This is ignored by default. This will not get pushed into the GitHub. That's why the git ignore is used. Next thing is our source folder. So we will come back to source folder later. First, let's see what the public folder has. So if in the public folder, we have our index.html and a favicon.icon. This fab.icon is nothing but the React icon, which goes and sit in the top right corner of this tab. Next is the index.html. This is the main file which runs in the UI. So if you see, it has the same thing, HTML head. On the head, there are so many links. This is the favicon link. And there are so many other links. We don't need to care about that because it automatically generates when we create the full project. And after that, we have the title. This is our React app. We can change the title from here as well. And then we have the non-script is nothing but if you were using a browser which does not support what you say JavaScript, then this message will show up and nothing will execute. And then after that, we have a root folder. So if we go and see in the application, if we go and click on view page source, it will open the same folder file. See, whatever we have here, the same thing is coming up here as well. The root folder and all the things. Then you also thinking like how this logo is getting animated, where is this thing is written, where is this thing, right? So those things are in the source folder. So let's go into the source folder. In source folder, there is app.css, app.js, index.css, index.js, and other stuff. We need this one, and this one, and this one. These 4 files is needed for our job. What is index.js? So index.js is the starting point where the application starts beginning. If you see here, we imported all the libraries. I will explain each and everything later. But first, how it's rendering in the DOM. So if you see that React DOM.render. So it's saying that get the application and render it in the document.get element by ID root. So in where is the root folder? Root file. This is in the index. Here is. So when we execute this file, it will get the DOM element and set all the React components in that. And on that, if you see this React.static mode is coming from this import section. From here, this is coming. But this app, this is not coming from anywhere from the React. This is coming from our folder. If you see here, import app from /app. Where is that? Here it is. This is the function app. And on that, we are returning something, returning some HTML. Okay. If you see here, it says the div, then the header, then the image. So this image is this one. And then the p tag where it's saying edit, then source /app.js and save to reload. Did you see? Here is that. And then after that, we have a learn React A tag.